Hey, 7 a.m. Toastmasters, Mike Ward here. Hope you're doing all right today. I wanted to reach out just for a moment and talk to you about the Free Toast Host website. That's the website that we use to actually set our schedules. We really want to use it for our club to be able to have you go on and confirm your roles, mark whether or not you're going to be in attendance, and stay up to date on the things that are going on for upcoming meetings. Let's jump in and look at the screens you'll need to navigate through in order to successfully stay up to date with what's going on in the club. Let's go. All right, so grab your favorite web browser and go over to the website 3391.toastmastersclubs.org. So it is 3391.toastmastersclubs.org. When the page loads, you should see something that looks similar to this. At the top, it should say 7 a.m. Toastmasters Club. If it does not identify itself as the 7 a.m. Toastmasters Club, you're probably on the wrong website. Double check your web address and make sure that you went to the right one. As you look at the actual page, it's just like any other website. Your navigation menu is on the left, your content is on the right. Paying attention to the navigation menu, the red section are public links. Anybody in the public can get onto those links without having to log into the website first. Move down, you have a logins section. This is where you will actually click to log into the website. And then you have a members only section, which becomes active once you log in as a member. You'll be able to see the general public cannot click on those links and see the content if they don't have a login ID. So I'm going to simply click on member login. When I click on member login, it's going to ask me for my email, my name, or my username. If you are in the system, you can start typing your name, and you'll see that I start typing Mike. And when I get to the third or fourth letter, the system should do a search and bring up a list of people that have access to our website with the first letters that you typed in. You'll see my name popped up right there, Mike Ward. I click on that. It wants my password. This is where I would type in my password, or if you have it saved, you can do just like I did, and you can select the saved password. From there, you're going to simply move down, and you're going to hit the Authenticate Login button. Now at this point, the page refreshes, and it's really just a refresh in activating some of the things that you have access to now that you are a logged in member. You see over under the login section that it changed from log in as a member to now log out as Mike Ward. So it knows that I'm logged in. And if I take my mouse over to these members only links, they're actually links now that I can click on. So in order to sign up for roles or to confirm roles, we just want to go to meeting agendas. It's going to take us to the agenda for the next meeting. If you look at the top, it actually says meeting agenda for April 6th, 2020. That is this specific agenda. If I then scroll down, I will be able to see all of the roles, who they have been assigned to, and if I get to a role that I need to fill, I can click on the confirm button. If I have already confirmed the role as I have for this meeting, you'll see a little blue button with a check mark that says confirmed. If I had not confirmed it, it would be a blue button that says confirm, just like you see with the sign up button. Right now, at the time of this recording, we do not have a speech evaluator number 2. If you log into the website and see a role available, you are more than welcome to click the sign up button and sign up. In the event that you are signed up for a role that you are not prepared for, you're not comfortable for, or if your schedule changes and you're no longer available to come to the meeting, you can get to the same screen the way we just did, and right here next to your name where it says role filled by, you can click this little X button. This X will remove you from the role so that you no longer have to actually fill that role. I still do ask that you reach out to your Toastmaster of the day and let them know you won't be able to fulfill that role, so that they don't miss that automated email and that they know they need to fill that role before the next meeting. If you are one of the speakers, I encourage you to go in when you confirm your role and select your project. You can put in that it's an icebreaker or whichever path you're following. You'll find it in this list of paths. There are a ton in here. I suggest using this filter to filter out and specifically search for what your project is. But choose your project, put in the title of your speech, and then here is a great place that you can put your introduction. Once you do that, hit Save Project Speech and Details, and it will save it in here so that we can see it, and more importantly, so that the Toastmaster of the day can see it. If you're not going to attend this meeting, you can always go to this line at the top that says, "Are you planning to attend this meeting?" Yes, and we can change it to no. Or if we're uncertain, we can change it to uncertain. That helps the VP of Education when they're planning future meetings. Now that we're done confirming our roles or making changes to this agenda, we have the option to click View Another Agenda and select on any agenda that may already be published by the VP of Education. So if you know that you want to speak in one of the speaking roles or you want to be a speech evaluator, I encourage you to go ahead and go into one of the future agendas, sign up for that role, and make sure you grab that spot. Okay, there's one more thing I do want to show you just really quick. This has absolutely nothing to do with our agendas, but has everything to do with the wonderful way that we present ourselves to the public. If you take just a moment and click on Meet Our Members, it pulls up this really cool member bio page. So we're able to share a picture. We're able to share, of course, our name is on there. We have a place where we can write a description, and then we can share some of our social media links. I really invite you and encourage you to update your profile. So how do you update your profile? Well, remember, in order to see public stuff, we use that red menu. But instead, I want you to scroll down to the blue menu down here. There's going to be a link that says Edit Your Profile. And you click Edit Your Profile. Once you click on Edit Your Profile, you're going to look here at the top at the tabs and click Member Bio/Photo. Click on that, and this is the information that you see on that page. So I can actually go and type in my bio right here. I can upload my picture. If you have trouble with that, please reach out to me. I can help you. Then click over to Social Links. This is where you will copy and paste any of the social media links that you want to share. For me, I'm currently only sharing my LinkedIn profile because we're a professional club. You're more than welcome to share whichever ones you want to share. Just remember that this is public information, so if you don't want other members seeing it, don't share it. Once we're done with that, we just hit the Save button. When you hit the Save button, that information is uploaded to the member directory, and then we can all see it. All right, that's enough time. I think we're coming up close to 10 minutes. Thank you so much for tuning in, staying with me so that I could show you how to confirm roles, remove yourself from roles, and sign up from roles. And in addition, how to update your member bio so that we are just a stronger club altogether. Thank y'all. I'll see you all Monday.